Dolomara themselves bring laurel for town. Jambali, Sarupathar Police and Market Committee organizes cleanliness drive in Silonijan. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I am Chili Hansepi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. Two damsels from Dolomara brought huge cheers and encouragement for the entire town following their recent appointment as assistant professor in two different colleges in the state. Our correspondent has sent us this report. Dolomara town can now be more proud of their young generation, especially in the field of academics. On Saturday, 25 years old Malini Rongparpi, the eldest daughter, Duarbagari VDC chairman Sarkar Rongpar, and LP school teacher Sangpi Lucia Ronghangpi, and 27 years old Navina Phangchopi, also the eldest daughter of PWD employee Sarsing Phangcho and Bina Lekthepi, were handed over their appointment letter at Guwahati PWD training at Convention Center. The duo was among the newly appointed assistant professor for 6 government model colleges and science stream of 16 provincialized colleges. The appointment letters were formally handed over by the Minister of Education, Health, etc. in the government of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma. CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Tuliram Ronghang and MP Horen Singbe were present among the guests. Malini Rongparpi will be posted at Bir Raghav Moran Model College, Tinsukia, while Navina Phangchopi is posted at Eastern Karbi Anglong College, Hanjanglangso, Karbi Anglong.
After receiving your appointment yesterday at Guwahati, how excited you are?
I was very excited, and it's not only me that got excited, but everyone in the family, they all are very happy with the news. Yeah.
Where are you now posted?
I'm posted in Hanjanglangso, Eastern Karbi Anglong College.
What will be your message towards those dropout students?
My message to them would be, if they try hard, no matter if they have failed for the first or second time, if they keep on working hard, they will really succeed in life. That's what I really want to tell them. And also, it doesn't mean that every student needs to study for like 12 hours, 13 hours to become successful. But if they really put their mind for 30 minutes or 45 minutes also, they can really get the result which they really want to get.
What would you like to give to say to your parents about their support?
My parents have been very supportive. They have been helping me a lot, and it's because of them that I have become what I'm today. And as well as I really want to thank all my relatives, my family members for their support. Yeah, I'm really thankful to them.
Jason Rongpar's report from Dolomara for Karbi Anglong Live. The Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Korkanthi Mandal Committee had on Monday conducted a cleanliness drive at 4 places under the constituency. Here is a short report. The Yuva Morcha had begun the work at around 9 a.m. in the morning. During the day-long program, they conducted a cleanliness drive Sami Langso Market, Dongka Chingthu, Tikilangjun and Paklongkam under number 14 Korkanthi constituency. The drive was led by Korkanthi BJYM President Rajiv Killing and General Secretary Aditya Inti under the supervision of Prohari Singja Tiso. It was also attended by Korkanthi Mandal President Dolo Inti, VDC Chairman Khogan Tiso, several leaders and public of the locality. The program was carried out in order to spread the message of cleanliness and hygiene put forward by the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi. The leaders told that staying healthy and keeping the surroundings clean is a very factor in human life. The message of keeping the surroundings clean and tidy should reach every corner of the district.
East Karbi Anglong District Committee Amaipu Bidasing ti alangli direction pen nilitum pini taring koi raisi icheng sinilitum Samilangso town pen sicheng poneglo Samilangso up to nilitum Dendakhat Bazar teke Langjon Bazar la pen nilitum kepajut si ke Paklongkam si pajudam igi labangso Swasth Bharat Abhijan mate kapang thirasai
ini ladak kecengsi alang litung sampai kedeng pon si adim lo lasi alang litumat apan nili isi kacuro pon asonan lo jalan tung lo bang so program kedeng pon thai pot lapen ke nili tame kecengsi chairman dingdat pen ke dason Swasth Bharat Abhijan ke claim ke nonlang nili period ta lasi alang litung curu Deun la son that taxi kaprek adim sitami ning the lang litum claim pon bom ji la pente deng job program deng pon bom pupu dile ning the.
At the end of the day, the leaders organized a meal at Paklongka picnic spot for all the volunteers involved in the program. Samsung Inti report from Dongmokok for Karbenglong Live. With an effort of continuing the cleanliness drive program in the area, NGO Jambali, along with local Silonijan Police and Silonijan Bajar Committee on Monday, organized a cleanliness program in the town area. Local NGO Jambali teamed up with local cops and market committee and organized a cleanliness program which commenced at 5:30 a.m. around the Silonijan market area, falling under the 24th Diopani constituency on Monday. Present during the cleanliness drive included Borpathar Police, 2nd OC, Albert Rengsete, and a huge number of police personnel and members of the market committee and NGO. A deep pit was also dug out with the help of an excavator where garbage would be disposed of. Jambali Group also conducted an awareness program during which they talked with the shop owners and workers to always keep the area clean and create a clean atmosphere around the area in the greater interest of all the public in general. The local Silonijan Market Committee also told the media that they would take up the responsibility to keep a constant check and keep the market are clean and hygienic.
Silonijanot safai অভিযান চলাই আছে ককচোন কেনেকে ধৰণে কৰিছে কোনে কোনে কৰিছে
হয় আজি আমি জাম্বিলি এনজিও ফালৰ পৰা আমি এটো সভা অভিযানটো কৰিছো তাৰ পিছত আমাৰ লগত যোগদান দিয়া হৈছে আমাৰ বৰপথাৰ থানা পুলিচ ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট ফালৰ পৰা আমাৰ সেকেন্ড অফিচাৰ আছে তাৰ পিছত আমি টাউন কমিটি বিলাক আছে আমি তিনটা গ্ৰুপ আমি মিলি কিনে আজি সভা অভিযানটো আজি কৰিছো
Shubhas Terang report from Silonijan for Karbenglong Live. In a piece of encouraging news for the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, over 384 persons marched with the Saffron Party at various polling stations since September 20 in a series of meetings organized by the BJP Chinthong Mandal Committee. The new members who joined the BJP were from opposition parties like the Autonomous State Demand Committee and the Congress. The last BJP mass joining program was held under Lower Chinthong was at Amsar Playground on Sunday. The opposition members joined the BJP party in presence of Karbenglong Autonomous Council Executive Member and in charge of PHE Department Prodip Rongpi, Chinthong BJP Mandal Committee President Joy Singh Bongrum, Chinthong BJP Mandal Committee General Secretary Sar Singh Ingti, Chinthong Village Development Chairman Khor Singh Senar, BJP Secretary Raju Bhattarai, Chinthong BJP Kisan Morcha President Robinson Tiso, and others BJP party workers. While addressing and welcoming the new entrants to BJP party, EM Prodip Rongpi said that there is no partiality within the party and new and senior members are treated equally as family members. EM Rongpi also said that the party provides a new platform for members to express themselves freely and share their views with other co-workers.
20 September pen cheglo la pen pindi upper ba lower na banke ki pa judiglo pray don faroge thomra trok nerke propri adon de tum BJP long nang chepa ogduno SDC Congress la pen kapre party pen la si non ke bangi MLA bange chupar bange ong lans se kelong lans se sinetum akhabolo perko ningetedo mesen avot per sinetum MLA kelikta pahai pundi.
Later, while talking to the media, EM Rongpi claimed that BJP would surpass the last victory margin in the upcoming Assam Assembly election and the best result would also come from Chinthong MAC constituency. He also informed that under Chinthong MAC constituency, alone 1,500 families were provided the Arunodai acknowledgement slip copies. Hemari Rongpa report from Ulukonchi for Karbenglong Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbenglong Live.